Do you enjoy buying clothes?
I used to. Yes, like most young people, I was a bit of a slave to fashion, and I'd always have to buy that must-have shirt or pair of shoes. I'm not so bothered now, though. I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing something old-fashioned, but I'm not as bothered as I used to be about what I wear.
What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I prefer casual clothes actually. I hate getting dressed up for special occasion. Personally, I think it's possible to look good in a pair of jeans, but that's my opinion. I don't think my wife will call me a fashion icon, that's for sure.
Are there many clothes shops where you live?
Yes, there are lots in my town. Apart from the big chain store, we have got a couple of really nice shops that sell vintage clothes. Old clothes but in a classic style that never really go out of fashion. I love going there.
Describe someone you know who dress well. You will say who they are, how you know them, and what kind of clothes they wear, and say why you like the way they dress.
I would like to talk about one of my teachers, Miss Evans. She teaches us English in the school I go to. We always look forward to seeing what she's going to wear when our lesson starts. She is always very well dressed and takes a lot of pride in her appearance. It's not that she dresses in very smart clothes. She doesn't come to school dressed to kill or anything like that. But what she wears really suits her, and she has a great sense of style as well. We often ask her where she gets some of her clothes, and most of the time they are just off the peg. And she says she's not interested in designer labels or anything like that. She doesn't seem to concern about keeping up with the latest fashion. She just wears clothes that are timeless. Yes, Miss Evan is the person I think looks great in the clothes she wears.
What factors do you think affect the clothes we choose to wear?
It depends. Where we are or where we're going is big factor. If you are going out to a club or party, you are going to dress for the occasion. And then there are those who thinks it's important to look like they are on trend. They'll want to wear the latest fashion. There are lots of factors really.
What kind of thing determine what is in fashion and what we should be wearing?
I suppose the big fashion houses and fashion shows must have an effect, but the clothes you see on the catwalk don't always reflect what normal people wear. So I suppose it will be things like what singers are wearing in videos or model are wearing in magazines, that kind of thing.
Is it possible to look good without spending lots of money on clothes?
I'm sure it is. Yes, I suppose it's about having an eye for what look good, knowing how to mix and match different items of clothing that go well together. I think you can pick up great bargains in charity shop. Sometimes for youngsters, even hand-me-downs can look good. Oke.
Kok Yani nggak ada gambarnya dari tadi kah?
Hah?
Hah?
Serius? Ada loh. Aku on cam
Nggak
please
ada.
dari tadi.
Ada loh, dia pakai
Coba.
latar putih.
Terus misalkan ini di end langsung
Taruhlah
langsung ini
namanya.
ya.
Aku nggak
Kesimpan
tahu.
kah?
Ya maksudnya kesimpannya di iniku ya,
Iyalah kayaknya.
laptopku.
Kayak di Zoom juga.
Ini kita nggak ada perkenalan ya?
Oh,